Most gamers are accustomed to full-size keyboards because they've been the standard for years. Recently, there's been a slight shift toward compact tankless keyboards. TKL keyboards allow players to reclaim lost desk space and transport their keyboards to tournaments easily. The main difference between full-size and TKL keyboards is that TKLs come without the numpad. Since users still have access to numbers via the keyboard's top row, they don't lose much functionality.
Here at Review Press, we are a bunch of product researchers and testers where our aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best products from tech essentials like laptops, TVs, cameras, and all kinds of gadgets and gear. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 7 best products based on quality, price, features, and user feedback so that our viewers can make the right buying decision.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best TKL mechanical keyboard, so let's get started. Number 7. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. The SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL tops this list because of its innovative features, like an OLED screen and its unmatched per-key sensitivity customization. Compared to the other keyboards on this list, the Apex Pro TKL uses OmniPoint switches, allowing users to set each key's actuation to their preference. Users can set the actuation point between 0.4 and 3.6 mm. Users can set a profile for gaming with high actuation points, and have another profile for typing with less sensitive actuation points. Another innovative feature of the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL is the OLED Smart Display. This screen displays system information and allows users to customize the keyboard without opening the SteelSeries Engine 3 app. It's also possible to upload custom images to the display for a more personalized appearance. Number 6. Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. Razer's Huntsman Tournament Edition uses optical switches instead of mechanical switches, meaning the opticals use a beam of light instead of mechanical actuation. When the user presses a key, the beam passes through an opening in the stem of the switch to register the key press. This system allows optical switches to be more responsive than traditional switch types. The Huntsman Tournament Edition comes in 2 switch types. Users can go for linear switches that require 40 grams of operating force and have a 1 mm actuation point, or clicky switches that require 45 grams of force and have a 1.5 mm actuation point. Number 5. Logitech G Pro X. Logitech's G Pro X is the company's first hot swap keyboard, and users get to choose between 3 types of switches. The available options include the GX Blue clicky switches, GX Brown tactiles, and GX Red linears. All 3 options require 50 grams of operating force, with the GX Browns and Reds having a 1.9 mm actuation point and the GX Blues having a 2 mm actuation point. Having hot swap functionality allows users to change the switches without soldering, but it's a time-consuming process most buyers won't want to do often. Considering its high price tag, the G Pro X is disappointing in certain areas. Instead of a more modern USB-C cable like on the Huntsman Tournament Edition, it uses an older micro USB cable with a clip on the end to secure it tightly. For a high-end keyboard, the G Pro X has a fully plastic case, instead of aluminum like the Apex Pro TKL and Huntsman Tournament Edition. Number 4. Logitech G915 TKL. Wireless keyboards are easy to transport and reduce clutter. Logitech's G915 TKL combines a TKL design with wireless connectivity and a slim design to deliver a compact keyboard that allows users to sit near or far from their monitor. This keyboard has multiple connection options, including Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connections. Bluetooth doesn't require a dongle and works on laptops and mobile phones with built-in Bluetooth capability. While Bluetooth may be fine for typing and casual gaming, it isn't the go-to for competitive games. Conversely, the wireless connection uses Logitech's Lightspeed technology to offer a strong and stable connection. When the G915 TKL is used with the maximum brightness settings, it has an expected battery life of 40 hours. Number 3. HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. Many TKL keyboards have a high price that puts off prospective buyers. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is an affordable alternative for users who'd like a TKL keyboard without spending a fortune. Despite its low cost, the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro has decent build quality. The top plate is metal, and the base also has metal reinforcement. Like the G Pro X, it has a detachable braided micro USB cable for easy transportation. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is available with 3 options. It gives users the choice of genuine Cherry MX red, blue, or brown switches. The red and brown switches require 45 grams of force, but the reds have a 1.8 mm actuation point compared to the 2 mm on the browns. Cherry MX blue switches require 50 grams of force, and also have a 1.8 mm actuation point. HyperX dropped certain features to keep the price down. Instead of per-key RGB lighting, like the other keyboards on this list, the Alloy FPS Pro only has red backlighting. There's also no software for users to configure profiles or macros. Number 2. Cooler Master Keys Pro. Elevate your gaming like a pro with Masterkeys Pro S RGB gaming keyboard. Choose precision, accuracy, and performance with no style over substance fluff and flashy lights. The Pro S RGB keyboard from Cooler Master features a no-nonsense look with a sturdy plastic material, making it reasonably heavy, but mostly reliable. The tankless mechanical keyboard offers you dependable typing services that don't flex or exhibit any bow. The Masterkeys keyboard has a sleek layout and a durable case, which is perfect for gaming. The Masterkeys Pro S provides you with accuracy and unmatched performance with no rage quits, loading or lag thanks to the ARM Cortex processor. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex M750 RGB. Apex M750 from SteelSeries is another tankless mechanical gaming keyboard on our list we recommend. The keyboard is compact and portable. Apex M750's PC gaming keyboard features a sturdy aerospace aluminum frame with black matte finish, making it stylish and durable. The Series 5000 aluminum ensure your keyboard is lightweight, with zero flex and a rock-solid base, perfect for mechanical switches. Apex M750 10-keyless gaming keyboard is compact, allowing you to carry it anywhere you go. The keyboard boasts a QX2 mechanical switch that delivers faster gameplay with straight actuation point and low force. The QX2 switches feature tactile response for natural movements without missing valuable keystrokes. That was our list of the top 7 best TKL mechanical keyboard just for you.